Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley Byrne from FixPectus.com, and in today's video I want to talk about why I program and why I do bad chest exercises. So on the internet I've seen lots of that SABC tier exercise listing, and some of the exercises that I've prescribed that I talk about are in that like C or F tier. And I want to talk about why I program them and why I continue to do them and why I did them during my bodybuilding and why I think you should do them, especially if you're at Pectus. And if you look back at one of my videos from 10 years ago where I talk about one of these exercises, which is the plate pinch press, it's one that people say is F tier, is not good for building your chest. I talk about in that video that this exercise it's not about building, like it's not like a compound chest press where we're trying to build our chest. It's primarily about learning to have mind muscle connection with your chest and filling the chest with blood. So the way I utilize it in my programs is I utilize it as like a superset with your compound chest press, with your like more hypertrophy science-based movement, but then you pair it with this, so you're actually filling the chest with blood, you're getting that mind muscle connection, and therefore on your chest press you're going to be able to feel your chest more. So the plate pinch press, just done like this, obviously it's not the best chest builder, right? The shoulder's working, other things are working, but if you can learn to do this movement and hold your elbows tight and feel your chest filling with blood on every rep, and you superset it with your chest press, you're going to start to get a much better mind muscle connection with your chest. And I think for Pectus and for people in general, so many people's chests are lacking development, and part of that is they just can't get their chest engaging in these exercises. So I like to program things like the plate pinch as a superset to really get that chest pumped up. Okay, so no, I don't think it's an F tier exercise. If it were to be your one choice of chest exercise, then definitely, but when you're complementing it with something like an incline dumbbell press or something like that, it's amazing. Same as like a one arm low dumbbell fly. Probably not the best chest builder. Obviously the anterior shoulder's working a lot, but a lot of people don't have access to cables, and this is such a good exercise to build that connection with your chest. Like I'm feeling from just a couple reps, my muscle fibers around the pectus really working. And so what this does is it establishes that mind muscle connection with your chest. It fills the chest with blood. So adding it as like supersets or finishes is actually really effective. And we have non-spanning chest fibers. So they start from here in your sternum, they spread out. And you have non-spanning chest fibers that don't go all the way. And I think those adduction focused movements like a one arm low dumbbell fly are key to build that. And building around the pectus is key to make it look less noticeable. So anyway guys, that's why I program those exercises. That's like, look at my client results. Obviously what I program works. Look at my result. So I would recommend adding them into your regime if you're not. And if you're interested in coaching, I've got some spots available. You can apply for coaching at fixpectus.com.